As I reflect on the fact that 2022, we're celebrating 50 years for GS as a company, and even the name of the company changing over the years has reflected the evolution of the business that we do. We started as GS Hydraulic Sales, Inc., which was really a sales business, distributing components focused on selling efforts, and transitioning to what is now GS Global Resources, which is really a engineered product solutions partner for our OEM customers.
Well, our primary mission is to develop machine controls for customers that will allow them to grab market share and to be successful. In the end, our goal is to make the customer win, right? And what's the best way for them to win and win in their market 100%, that's our goal.
They'll come to us with a problem that they're looking to solve, and we help them by putting together a controls, hydraulic, motion system that all works together.
I enjoy going to trade association meetings to stay current. In the course of those meetings, I often meet new people. It's great when someone else introduces me as well, because the comment is often, "This is John, president of GS," and they're a bit unique. And they do a lot of things that customers don't expect.
But when people show up, right, they can see everything we do, and we're doing joysticks, we're doing full armrests, do seat assemblies, whole cabs, very large mining systems for fluid power control, lube, air cooling. Very few companies are able to do that amount of diverse work. And that's really, I think, what impresses everybody. Everybody always walks off with, "I didn't know you could do all that."
Helping them to bring their dreams of their new machine to life. Another big value for us is that we always say to our customers is we're successful if they're successful.
The fact that we're motion control people, we're fluid power people, we understand how machines move, shift, run, and then we come in with electronic controls, that's really unusual. Most controls group guys start with electrons and wires. So say the bigger aspect for us is the ability to integrate hydraulics and controls together. I'd say we probably do that as good as anybody in the Western Hemisphere.
One thing I can say that has not changed over those 50 years is the fact that it's a family business. We're engaged with the employees. We're very much focused on the well-being of the company organism, let's say, and everybody that's here.
Employees are given the opportunity to learn, to grow. They're listened to, they're respected. You go through the shop, it's one of the cleanest shops you'll see. We're just about at 6 years without any safety incident on the floor. It's a great work environment, taking care of the customer, moving heaven and earth for the customer. If we take care of our employees, they're going to take care of GS, they're going to take care of the customer.
As a young engineer, when I first came to GS, one of the things that I enjoyed the most about working here is that I get the benefit of working in a place where the things I design are built right here in the same building.
We are striving for better product, and we are, I feel, and I'm sure many others, that we are a part of the family at GS.
So I think everybody takes a little bit of pride and a little bit of ownership in what they do. As a company combined, I really feel that each individual person pulls their weight and does what is required of them, because they also sign off on their work as well.
What makes me excited to show up to work every day, honestly, is that the next innovation that comes through the door, and that's what keeps the juices flowing. We're going to put together a program for our customers celebrating our 50-year anniversary. When we celebrate that 50-year anniversary, we're going to have technical seminars so that we can keep people current on technology and what's taking place in the industry.
So the purpose of the open house is to give people exposure in a variety of formats, whether it be fluid monitoring, safety analysis of the machine, electrification, different ways to do systems solutions.
As well as just give them a flavor for who GS is today and who GS used to be 10, 15, 20, 30 years ago. So they need to understand who we are, who we were, and who are we going to become. And how can we maintain that connection and that value that we bring to them over the years as they try to evolve. And so I think that's really important for customers to come and see that and learn it and exchange ideas.